Yeah! Let's go!
Indian boy!
Sukatin niya, Axel, si
Indian boy!
Indian boy. Okay. Sukat-sukat, Indian boy.
Yeah.
Dito, dali. Ito yung pantalon,
No,
yung
that's the
pants. Tingin
pants.
ka dun.
That's pants, the papa. Wow, but my 1 feet first. Papa first, my 1 feet. My 2. Ay. You not remember
Ito yung
me,
damit.
Zoe? You not remember me, Zoe?
Ha? May sizes to, ha.
This hat. Look, you
Medium,
guys,
large,
my
XL
hat.
lang size
My
nito.
hat, Sewa.
Indian boy ang suot ni Axel ngayon.
Indian boy. My hat.
Sino ka?
Eh? Indian boy. So,
Indian boy?
yeah. So
Sino
here.
yun?
Hey! Samantha! No! This one. But this is a hat.
Ito yun, belt. Sa belt niya, sa baywang. No?
Look at me. Then I just like an Indian boy. Papa, I like an Indian
Indian.
boy. An Indian boy.
Mundo.
My feather.
Oh, may feather. Ayan nating Indian boy. Oh. Indian boy costume. O, paano magano? Sayo, ababala.
Bleh, 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 bleh.
Tingnan mo ating Indian boy, oh. Ah. Kita niyo yan, Indian boy. Ayan, likod. Yung likod. Yan, likod niya. Kasama na to, ah. Ito sa ulo niya, kasama na yan. Ayan ang ating Indian na pogi. Oh. Tingnan mo si Pogi. Oh. Pogi ba yan? Indian na yan? Ha? Ay, si teacher. Ayan, Indian boy costume. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Indian costume. Bye-bye. Yan, tulog, oh. Ay, sino yan? Ay, kinuha na yung... Bye-bye.